Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use Pabbly to connect thank you page. So if you want to pass some custom value in the checkout page URL and get the values in the thank you page / hosted page by API response, then you can add that value on the checkout page URL and send that full link to your third customer. For example, as you can see, I have this link here, and as you can see is the extra value with the checkout page URL. So when your customer completes the transaction, they will be redirected to the thanks page or the hosted page, and your extra value will be seen on the URL of the thank you page. So you can see right here, and you can get that string from the thanks page URL and call for the verify hosted page API for getting the details of that customer. So link for the API, this is the API, and the form data for calling API will be the query string. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.